This question. Hi Kentaro, where would you bring me if I go to Japan? Marry me, please. Where?
Kansuru!
Yeah, they want to marry you. But the question is, where do you want to bring to the Japan?
どこだろうな。日本に行ったことある人。
Who has been to Japan?
あ、でも結構皆さん行ってるんだ。
Wow, you guys come to Japan a lot.
Once lang. Tokyo, Osaka lang.
前にドラマを撮影してた。
Before I filmed my drama,
北海道で撮影してた。
Hokkaido. Oh, nagkala ko na po.
北海道は
Malamig. Gusto ko talaga malamig.
多分すごい寒いんで、雪も降るし。
in Hokkaido, it's really cold and the snow is always falling.
Yeah.
雪景色というか、雪の世界の中をこう歩いてたら、
Hokkaido tayo.
冬の寒さ。
So when I walk in that scenery of snow, I think that this is really just like Japan's winter.
質問くれなかったんですか？あ、じゃあ。
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for so many questions. Thank you.